Hello everyone, I'm Jameline, but you can just call me Jay. Welcome to Monolid Series, and I've created this series specifically for people with monolids, and I'm going to be talking about everything you need to know, like tips, tricks, experiences, stories, and problems, like literally everything. And I hope this series will help a lot of people with monolids out there that are facing any types of issues having them. So what is a monolid? A monolid is basically an eye shape that doesn't have a crease, and the ones with crease is called double eyelid. So monolids is typically a facial feature of people from East Asia like me. I actually grew up with people that have monolids, but they permanently change it by doing double eyelid surgery. I did consider doing it as well, but I also get a lot of compliments from people saying how unique my eye shape is. I've been debating about getting an eyelid surgery for several years, but I found a better way to deal with it and still manage to appreciate the beauty of monolids. The very first step that you need to do is appreciate and accept what you have. Next is learning how to enhance your current features. People with monolids tend to have small tight eyes, and we want them to look more alive. And to be able to achieve that, we need to do something to our eyelashes. We actually have lashes that goes downwards, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift them up, and this way it will really open up our eyes. Others do eyelash extensions, which is also doable, but my eyes are a little bit more sensitive, so my way of doing it is lash lifting or perming. I'm sure you already know about this product. You can actually get this on Amazon for about $20. You can do it yourself, or you could just go to the salon and get it done. I think they do it for about at least $100 maybe, but yeah, it's a little bit up there. I actually do it myself, so I'll show you how I do it. Since I'm already doing my eyelashes, I might as well do my eyebrows too. This kit consists of lift pads, plastic brush, lash glue, perming solution, fixing agent, cleanser, and serum. They call it nutrition, but I call it serum. We start off by applying glue on your lift pads before sticking it onto your eyelids. Stick it in and apply more glue on this side of the pads. Take the comb, brush it up until your lashes are set upwards. Take your perming lotion, apply it all over your lashes, and then cover with plastic film for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, apply the blue fixing agent on the lashes. Do the same thing and cover again with plastic for about 15 minutes. When the time is up, clean the perm residue with cleanser and then apply your serum. The label says it's the other way around, but you know, I like doing it this way. This is what it looks like after. No products applied, all lifted, even my eyebrows. And this is what it looks like with a non-waterproof mascara. Loves it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social so we can stay connected. Also, if you like this series, please do turn on the notification bell so you get updated every time I post new content about monolids. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next one.